Hello, welcome back to Electromarine Mania. Straight on with the Dr. Ahmad Shajaji. This is a spool machine. So we are using this spool machine for to dish, wash, and all other utensils. And here, what is the main equipment is the motor. The main problem having with the motor is the bush bearing. Here is not on a ball bearing. That's the main problem. So the bush bearing, you need to do some greasing. Right now it's very free, and every year you need to check the capacitor. The capacitor will be connected over here. It's the value of 3 microfarad. I just remove the capacitor from here. So if you every year if you check the capacitor, you can see the capacitance value. If it is drop down, you need to change this capacitor, otherwise the motor will not get the starting torque, and the motor will not rotate. So it will make a humming sound, and the coil will damage, the coil will burn. There is a humming sound will happen, and the coil will burn. And in the same way, you need to make a contact you need to clean with the contact cleaner for the solenoid. This one is the valve opening closing, towards and the return. And there is a you need to be clean the free point. There is a floating switch is there. Floating switches means if it is overflowed, or any pipes break down, then what happen, the water will come and collect over here. Then the electricity must be switched on, switch it off, so that what will happen, you will protect from the electric shock. So this all to be carried out. This all cleaning, and this is a switch. See, these also must be carried out, because you need to clean with the CRC. And these rubber hoses are there. The rubber hoses are, you need to clean with the silicone oil. And this filter you must be clean, because this is the inlet for the for the tank inside. So this is the main thing. And when you repair with these hoses, you need to buy Jubilee clips specially to refit back again, because sometimes this Jubilee clip will break down. Once it's break, then you cannot see, this is Jubilee clip. And this is a press tape clip. You see this broken. So you can buy a normal Jubilee clip, and you can screw with the 9mm spanner. That's better. So this is the information regarding the spool machine. Okay, thank you for watching Electromarine Mania. Jai Hind.